Hey everyone! We've got massive news shaking up the aisles of every grocery store and pharmacy across America. This is a monster deal, and if you hold stock in either company, you need to hear this right now. Kimberly-Clark, the company that brings you Huggies diapers and Kleenex tissues, is buying Kenvue, the company that makes Tylenol and Band-Aids. This is one of the biggest corporate takeovers this year. The total price tag for Kenvue is nearly $49 billion. Why is this happening now? Kenvue has been through a rough patch. It was only spun off from Johnson & Johnson just a couple of years ago in 2023. Since then, its stock has been shaky, dropping about 33% this year alone before this acquisition news hit. A big shadow over Kenvue was the controversy surrounding Tylenol. Political leaders made unproven claims linking Tylenol, which contains the active ingredient acetaminophen, to autism. Kenvue fought hard against those claims, insisting that sound science shows the medicine is safe. Plus, the former CEO left back in July, adding to the instability. This is a huge opportunity for Kimberly-Clark to expand beyond paper products and into consumer health. They are combining 10 brands that each generate over $1 billion in sales. When the deal closes, the new company will have annual revenue of approximately $32 billion. For Kenvue stockholders, this is a clear win. Kimberly-Clark is paying a premium of roughly 46% over where Kenvue's stock was trading before the announcement. Kenvue shareholders will get about $21 per share in a mix of cash and stock. Immediately after the announcement, Kenvue stock jumped by around 17%. Kimberly-Clark stock, on the other hand, stumbled about 14% as investors reacted to the size and complexity of the deal. But the plan here is to create a true powerhouse. The two companies expect to find massive cost savings, around $1.9 billion in the first 3 years after the merger closes. The combined company will be run by Kimberly-Clark CEO Mike Hsu. The deal is expected to finalize in the second half of next year. If you own stock in either company, pay attention because the market reaction shows there are big winners and losers right now. If you want more straightforward analysis on the biggest moves in the market, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another alert. I'll see you next time.